Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how to enable the clipboard if you're running any Linux distribution, especially Linux Mint and Kali Linux and so on. I think they use the same commands. Right, so first of all, go to your Linux install, your VM, and then go to hardware and make sure your display is on, double click that, is on Spice. So using the Spice to actually use clipboards and so on. Right. I don't know why that one says VNC. Anyway, change that and then options, go to options. Make sure the QEMU guest agent is enabled. Double click it and then enable that. Okay, and then the other thing is Spice enhancements. Folder sharing, all, say okay there, and then run the VM. Right, so I'm just running Kali Linux here now, and then you have to run a couple of commands to install the guest agent. So open a terminal. Wow, that's small. Well, okay, I'm not gonna run it now. So I'll leave it in the comments below, in the description below. So first sudo app updates, just make sure everything is updated, and then sudo app install spice vd agent. So just run that. So I've run that, and then make sure it's installed or started. So systemctl status spice vd agent D. Okay, so it should say it started, or in my case it says it's dead. We actually run that quickly. So let's copy status, and then obviously after it's working you go to the spice here. So you click on spice there, download that little thing, then run it. Right, and then you can paste. Should paste. Yeah. Right, active running. Right, let's go. Ooh. Let's go back. So if it says active running, it's good. If not, then start it. Sudo systemctl start spice vg agent D. And then automatically on boot, sudo systemctl enables. So every time you reboot, it will start. That's pretty much it. It works on Linux Mint and Kali and every Ubuntu and Debian based distros. And then Windows got the same one, but obviously that's something else. You have to install it via exe, I think, yeah. But now you can cut and paste and do some other things too. Yeah, that's it. Good.